Chatgpt is a language model designed to understand natural language and generate human-like responses to various prompts and questions. It is part of the GPT-3 family of models and was trained using vast amounts of text data to enable it to understand and respond to a wide range of topics. You can use Chatgpt by interacting with it through a chat interface, such as a messaging app or a web-based chatbot. You can ask Chatgpt questions, provide prompts, or engage in conversation, and it will generate a response based on its understanding of the input. Some examples of how you can use Chatgpt include asking for information on a specific topic, getting recommendations for products or services, seeking advice or opinions on a particular issue, engaging in casual conversation. To use Chatgpt, you can find an implementation of it online, such as on OpenAI's Playground, or through third-party chatbot providers. Simply type in your input or question and wait for Chatgpt to generate a response.